How to create whip pan transition in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I want to add a whip pan transition in between them. Go to the Effects panel, click on Video Transitions, and search for Push. Drag and drop a push into between your videos and timeline. Now click on the transition, go to the Inspector panel, and set duration to 0.5 seconds. Now move the playhead in between your clips. In the Effects panel, clear the search box and click on Effects. Drag and drop an adjustment clip above the videos and timeline. Adjust the duration of adjustment clip to match the transition. Now click on Open FX and drag directional blur into the adjustment clip. With the adjustment clip selected, go to the Inspector and click on Effects tab. Set blur angle to 0. Move the playhead to the start of adjustment clip. Set blur strength to 0 and click on diamond button to add a keyframe. Move the playhead to the center between your clips and set blur strength to 1. Move the playhead to the end of adjustment clip and set blur to 0 again. And now we have a whip pan transition with blur. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.